India grapples with migrant workers' exodus during COVID-19 lockdown. Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative concern over Northeasterners' discrimination. Over 91 lockdown violators arrested in Manipur, 11 non-FIR cases registered. Good afternoon and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. A nationwide lockdown in India over the coronavirus pandemic is wreaking havoc on thousands of migrant workers in the capital, New Delhi. With few transport options available, thousands of people, mostly young male day laborers but also families, have resorted to commuting on foot during the 21-day lockdown that started on Wednesday. The workers started fleeing New Delhi after Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the lockdown, which effectively put millions of Indians living off daily earnings out of work. Construction projects, taxi services, housekeeping and other informal sector employment came to a sudden halt. The Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative (CHRI) has urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi to stress the need for extensive information, social media campaigns as well as stringent action under the law in view of reports of numerous incidents of racism and discrimination during the COVID-19 pandemic in different parts of the country. As per reports, in a separate letter to Chief Minister of the region, CHRI called for the setting up of emergency hotlines and nodal cells and sought better coordination with the centre and other states to prevent racial attacks. In Manipur, Imphal West District Police arrested as many as 91 lockdown violators under CRPC Section 109. They were produced before executive magistrates. The police also registered 11 non-FIR cases in connection with violation of the 21-day nationwide total lockdown and curfew imposed by the state government in view of the COVID-19 outbreak. A fine of Rs 3,500 was imposed and a total of 134 vehicles were detained. According to Imphal West Superintendent of Police, the SP said the police will intensify the drive and appeal to the public to extend cooperation to the district administration and police to ensure effectiveness of the preventive measures against the virus. The total number of COVID-19 cases in India reached 918 with 179 fresh cases being reported on March 28. The highest single-day increase so far, while the death toll rose to 19, according to the Union Health Ministry data. Deaths have so far been reported from Maharashtra 5, Gujarat 3, Karnataka 2, Madhya Pradesh 2 and 1 each from Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Punjab, Delhi, West Bengal, Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. In its updated data at 5:45 p.m., the ministry stated that the number of active COVID-19 cases in the country was 819, which is an increase of 179 since March 27, when it was 640. The total number of 918 cases in the country included 47 foreigners, the data stated. As many as 79 people were either cured or discharged and one had migrated. Distribution of free rice to residents in Moreh town and other places under Technopole district began today. Our correspondent reports that local sub-agents distributed rice to the residents amid the COVID-19 lockdown and public curfew. Amid the COVID-19 lockdown, LPG and rice were distributed to people in None district yesterday through agents and fair price shops. According to reports, 10 kgs of rice were distributed to every household by the concerned village rationing agents free of cost, while refilled LPG was sold to card holders at Rs 980, reports said. So far, there is no coronavirus positive case in Nune, but 46 persons are now under quarantine, including 2 persons who are being kept in isolation ward. Thanlon MLA Wungzagin Walte yesterday sent NFSA rice for Thanlon subdivision. Over 2,929 households will get 25 kgs of rice free of cost. The rice will be distributed through the district administration with assistance from HYA in the Mar-dominated area, Wi-Fi Youth Association in Tuilong area and Jomi Youth Association in other areas. Well, it's time now for a short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Recording.
Thanganjaba Kanagumba Miyoi Karana Liglagi uniform setuna Chana Thanaba Polam Sing Saba factory unit amada Yamna Hangoiningai Oina Chathaba Tabak Singi video ama social media da Sandorokli. Taudogasida Hakting Chenariba Miyoi Singasi Nilakuthida Leba Food Park company Sigi pet bottle blowing division gi Thomi Aktani. Adubu Sandorokli ba video asida Uriba Mafamasidi Liglagi factory nate. Atopa food manufacturing unit amagini amadi mafam maduda chanapathap wangmalana miyoi singasina changduna asigumba mathong huktaba thabak sing asi tawrambani masina maram oiraga liglana awangba thakta quality control tawduna puthokchariba chananaba potlam sing asi miyamda chingnaba pokhanaba achoba machak amo heli chenariba miyoi sing asi gi mathakta inquiry chathaduna company policy gi matung ina lokhatpham thokpa thabak sing lokhalagani Liglagi polam sing asi yamna checksina yengsinduna mamangai gum quality laina amadi hygienic oina adumak puthokigani haina miyamda thajaba pijari loinana kanagumba miyoi singna liglagi food manufacturing unit singda laktuna yengbining lebasu liglana thonglauna hangduna thamjari laibak thiba thawdogasina liglabu miyamna lana uhanbiganu amadi lana lamjingbiganu khanghanjariba thangjam joy kumar managing director ligla Hidak oina amadi thau oina animak sizinaba yaraba sangbrai thau fangbiragani Sangbrai Bambidagi Sungba, organic oiraba amadi side effect laitraba thau asina. Hiram kayada kanaba piri. Nungsang, laikoi, haksang chikpa, laihau, apomba, puri, samkenba, tonsil na chingba kaya layingbada kanaba piri. Thau sithak padiyade. Akupa moral gidama contact taubiyo, Sangbrai Thau, Kiamgai Maning Laikai, contact number 9366949811.
Welcome back after the break. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO has underlined on the need of the general public to cooperate with the state government in preventing the COVID-19 outbreak. In a press release, the organization stressed that everyone and all concerned must properly follow the guidelines of the World Health Organization. It also drew the attention of the concerned authority towards the difficulty faced by daily wage earners during the lockdown. The organization urged the state government to distribute essential commodities to everyone.
Normally, problem serum joliba adumba grocery dukan sing say near akan ba ni mamagi makada lainga na masibu ay hangan bibon changeba adu problem serum sing hangan bibon changeba maduna tata ga hausi khulak lerak ta phangiba bot ki maman se atia pak na wang khreba sing kg da khuji kaya piri alu ki da kaya piri khuji thau phangdabi thum phangdabi problem mayam ko thoi masina maram moya kana puksa ki landa miyamna government gi hojiki lockdown tawrakan da corona virus ki mayo ka sangchili ba khungding singa se masibu tungoina ma kanda puksa ki landa sakhiduna government ngasi lokhachari ba wan hon jeri ba thau thorma se masita singa mai thi ba yai ha ba se baso thamjage maram masida government na Nomugi Sandra Potlam Serum Singer say, Miam Mapung Pana Fangan Winanaba, Tangai Pata, Kongtang Sing, Lokot Pinaba, Appeal to Jerry, Loina, coronavirus, Tagi section, Tawang Lokotibini, Haiduna, Kana Musina, Lambi, the Nung, Wang on a Paisalakanda, lambi chatpa yahandaba lambi de saman khajin no to base masi to bigunu karigumba emergency lakpa taragadi madum thabuk thoram singuna zauna awabo helakpa yai haina thamjage.
The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, along with top officials and Health Department yesterday, met a tour of different isolation wards that is planning to come up in Tura. Chief Minister Conrad said that already 300 plus isolation wards and a full-fledged coronavirus testing center will be ready in few days. The Chief Minister also appealed to the people of Tura and Gathared Hills not to be panicked as the government is doing everything in its power to ensure that no inconvenience is caused to the people due to COVID-19. The Chief Minister, however, urged each and everyone to follow the norms of social distancing.
At a meeting with the district administration and other officials to ensure that the supply of essential commodities also are there and it reaches different sections of the society. So all those discussions were done with the district administration. I want to assure the people of Tura and of Karo Hills that they need not panic. The government is doing everything in its power to ensure that all the essential commodities are there and that no inconvenience is caused to the people. At the same time, I would once again urge all our citizens to ensure that they follow the instructions given by the government to maintain social distancing and to maintain the entire lockdown period to avoid coming out from their residences if it's not necessary. If we can ensure that the next 14 days and 18 days goes off smoothly, we are sure that we'll be able to control the situation to a very large extent.
Spanish Princess Maria Teresa of Bourbon-Parma has become the first royal victim to die of coronavirus. According to media reports, the 86-year-old was a cousin of Spain's King Felipe VI. Her brother, Prince Sixto Enrique de Bourbon, the Duke of Aranjuez, announced on social media that she died after contracting COVID-19. The victim of the coronavirus COVID-19 died in Paris at the age of 86. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. India grapples with migrant workers' exodus during COVID-19 lockdown. Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative concerned over Northeasterners' discrimination. And over 91 lockdown violators arrested in Manipur, 11 non-FIR cases registered. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.